How are you? Welcome to Tameron Honda. My name is Julius. I am product specialist on the CRV you inquired about, okay? Tameron Honda, we have the largest selection of Hondas in the state, and we have more access to more Hondas in the state, which gives us the best buying power. We'll get you the best deal. You inquired about the LX all-wheel drive, where we have any color combination you want. This is the black with the black seats. We also have black with the gray seats. All we need is you here to make you an exceptional deal. The CRV is going to give you a lot of options and a lot of creature comforts, but the main thing about it is the dependability and it's the cargo room. Number one in this class.